Hi everyone, I'm Shan, and we're gonna talk about how different landforms were created. Landforms are natural features that make up the Earth's surface like mountains, valleys, plateaus, plains, desert, and coastlines. These features were shaped over millions of years by geological processes. The four major that causes landforms are tectonic activity, erosion and weathering, deposition and glacial activity. First, we're gonna talk about tectonic activity. Its process, movement of Earth's tectonic plate. It creates Mount Himalayas. When plates collide, the Earth's crust falls and rises. Rift valleys. When plates moves apart, the crust thins and sinks. Volcanoes like Mount Fuji and earthquakes. Second, erosion and weathering. Its process is breaking down of rocks and movement of those materials by wind, water, ice, or gravity. It creates canyons, valleys, coastal reefs, and karst landform. Third, deposition. Process. When earth and when water, winds, or ice drop the sediments they were carrying, it creates deltas, beaches, and sand dunes. Fourth, glacial activity. Its process. Movement of glaciers that scrape and shape the land as they advance or retreat. It creates U-shaped valleys, fords, and marine. And that's all the major sediments that creates landforms. Thank you for listening.